Do you know the names of the 5 vowels?
A, E, I, O, U.
And sometimes the letter Y acts as a vowel, like in the word my, or fly, or spy, or why. Today we are learning about vowel digraphs. Vowel digraphs are found mainly in our simple, everyday Anglo-Saxon words. It's when 2 vowels sit side by side in a syllable. These vowel digraphs make one sound. Sail, oil, bee, boat, Paul, say. A-I and A-Y are 2 vowel digraphs, and they both represent the long A vowel sound. Let's read these words. Tail, trail, mail, hail, main, pain. Let's highlight the vowel digraph in each word. Tail, trail, mail, hail, main, pain. We will now read words with the A-Y vowel digraph. A-Y also represents the long A vowel sound. Day, may, say, hay, tray. Did you notice the sound that A-Y and A-I makes is the same? A long A. Main, pain, hay, tray. Let's look and listen more closely. As we read each word pair, think about where you say the long A vowel sound. Is it in the middle of the word or the end of the word? Mail, may, hail, hay, sail, say. Do you see a pattern? The AI long A sound is in the middle of the word. Mail, hail, sail. The AY long A sound is at the end of the word. May, hay, say.